Okay, we have several objects here, and what we're going to do is we're going to see how we can choose which one are the bases depending on what object we have. So I'm going to start off with, let's start off with the cylinder, because I think the cylinder is probably one of the easier ones. A cylinder, for any cylinder, your bases are your circles. Okay, that one's simple. Your bases are always going to be your circles. And when we start getting more into the formulas and stuff, you'll see what I mean, why that's important. So remember, cylinder, the bases are always the circles. Here we have a rectangular prism. In this case, this is how this gets stacked at the supermarket. So the way we're going to say this, that the bases are here and here. We're used to always thinking that the base is always on the bottom. But actually, this can be set this way. If I choose to look at it this way, then mathematically, this and this can be the base, this and this can be the base, this and this can be the base. This is called a rectangular prism. The word rectangle in the beginning of rectangular prism tells you what shape your bases should be. So you have to look for it. We're lucky that here it really doesn't matter. We can choose any of them to be our bases. If this is our bases, then around this way makes up our lateral area. If this is our base, then around this way is our lateral area. That's why it's important to make sure we choose the base correctly. Here I have a case of contact lenses. They're usually set this way. So in this case, I'm going to say this is my base and this is my base. I could also look at it this way. So with rectangular prisms, notice they're all rectangles all the way around, and on the sides too. We have the choice of deciding which ones are our bases. Usually we'll go with bottom and top for rectangular prisms. That's the basis. But here comes something that's a little tricky, and these are the things that throw some of us off a little bit. When you go these at the store, they're set that way, and most people, because they get into the pattern of mainly seeing rectangular prisms, they say this is the base. But this is not a rectangular prism. As you can see, it has a triangle up here. This is a triangular prism. Okay? This is a triangular prism. The word triangular has triangle in front. So the bases are my triangles. So if it helps, when you see a shape like this, either redraw it this way or picture it this way. But the triangles are your bases. Very similar to the cylinder. The circles are the bases. In this case, the triangles are the bases. And there's some ink cartridges that actually have like a trapezoid. So the trapezoids would be the bases. Hope this helps in kind of helping you figure out which ones should be the bases.